Good morning. The civil services results were declared yesterday. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to all those who have successfully cleared the same. It's a moment of pride not just for you, but also for your families, friends, teachers, mentors, and guides who supported you throughout your journey. The civil service exam is one of the most challenging and competitive exams in the country, and it requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and perseverance to succeed. I have no doubt that all of you must have invested countless hours of study, skipped social gatherings, and sacrificed your leisure time to prepare for this examination. Thus, your success is a testament to your determination, dedication, and discipline. Your accomplishment will pave the way for a bright and promising future. As civil servants, you have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of our country. You will be responsible for implementing policies, ensuring good governance, and serving the people of our nation. You have shown that you possess the knowledge, skills, and aptitude required to excel in this noble profession, and I have no doubt that you will make a significant contribution towards the development and progress of our nation. However, I wish to add, with great power comes greater responsibility. As civil servants, you must always remember that you are accountable to the people of our country and your actions will have a direct impact on their lives. Therefore, it is essential to uphold the highest standards of integrity, honesty, and ethics in everything that you do. As you embark on this new journey, I wish you all the best and hope that you will stay true to your values and principles and continue to work towards the betterment of our society. I would also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of all those who did not clear the exam this time. I know that it must be disappointing, but remember, this is not the end of the road. Take this setback as a learning opportunity. Identify areas that need improvement and work on them diligently. With hard work, dedication, and perseverance, you will undoubtedly achieve your goals and fulfill your aspirations. Remember, success is not a one-time event, but a process of continuous growth and improvement. Believe in yourself and do not give up on your dreams. Congratulations once again to all the successful candidates and best of luck to those who are yet to achieve their dreams. Jai Hind.